Oh, good morning, Bailey.
Good morning, Tate.
How are you doing? Why do lollipops keep appearing on your desk every day?
I don't know.
Orange is the worst flavor, at least leave a good one.
Enough, it probably was just an accident.
Looks like your man didn't show up today either. He's just a coward. Another one? Give me that.
No.
Why not? Why are you being protective?
No reason, I just really like them.
I wanted to ask if you would go on a date with me.
A date?
Yeah, like dinner or something. Why wouldn't you?
You literally ruined my last date.
That's not true. Can I have everyone's attention?